Maayong gabi, Karaga. Ania nausab kita sa programang Karaga kontra COVID-19. For the national level, as of today, August 21, 2020, naanatay 182,365 total number of cases, 114,519 recoveries, ug 2,940 deaths. Og karon, akong giawhag ang atong OIC Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Jerna Manatad, para sa paghatag sa breaking news.
Maayong adlaw, Karaga. As of today, August 21, 2020, we received 46 RT-PCR results from the Gen Expert Laboratory of Butuan Medical Center. Sa mga nadawat nga resulta, 23 or 50% tested negative. The negative results received are from the suspect cases of Butuan Medical Center and 22 negative results from high-risk individuals who either had positive rapid antibody-based test or close contact of previously confirmed cases. The remaining 23 results turned positive for the COVID-19 virus. Mga kaigsuunan, as of August 21, 2020, we have 23 new confirmed positive COVID-19 cases, bringing our total confirmed cases to 420. Sa atong 23 cases, 13 or 57% are males, while 10 or 43% are females. Based on the data, majority of the cases, 12, belong to ages 30 to 60 years old. The youngest age is 3 years old, and the oldest age is 65 years old. The new confirmed cases are distributed in the following barangays in Butuan: Ambago, 12, Fort Puyuhon, 3, Holy Redeemer, 3, Limaha, 2, Ampayon, 1, Doongan, and Mahogany, Tagusa-Usa. About 74% or 17 are asymptomatic, while 6 or 26% have mild signs and symptoms. Ang mga asymptomatic cases are strictly monitored in the designated quarantine facilities. Samtang ang mga symptomatic patients are admitted at identified hospitals for medical management. To date, COVID-19 confirmed positive cases in Caraga region now totals to 420 with 333 or 79% recoveries that have been discharged and released. 83 or 20% are active cases, and we have now 4 or 0.9 deaths. Butuan City local transmission cases have already reached to 89. These are the barangays with more than 2 cases for the past 3 weeks: Ambago, Buhangin, Doongan, Holy Redeemer, Libertad, Limaha, San Vicente, and Fort Puyuhon. We would like to inform the public of our 4th new death. This is a case of a 50-year-old female from Butuan City who had cough, fever, and shortness of breath on August 15, 2020. The patient was admitted at Butuan Medical Center on August 17, 2020. However, on August 20, 2020, the patient's symptoms worsened, thus referred to Caraga Regional Hospital for intensive care management. However, the patient died on the same day. Among dakong kasubo nga nadugangan ang atong COVID-19 death. Gipaabot namo sa pamilya ang among kinasing-kasing nga simpatiya. This virus has affected the lives of many, and if we are not vigilant enough, it can infect our loved ones or us. Once again, we call on our barangay officials, local chief executives, and other members of the task force in the different provinces, cities, and municipalities in the region to intensify the enforcement of the minimum health standards. Kami nanawagan usab sa tanan, please stay at home. Mugawas lamang kita kung importante gayud. Regularly wash your hands observe physical distancing, and boost your immune system. Our local transmission cases are continuously increasing and we need to stop it before it is too late. Daghang salamat o God bless us all, Caraga.
Daghang salamat, Dr. Manatad. Sa gibutyag nga new confirmed COVID-19 cases o sa dugang nga death, makita nato nga padayon ang pagsaka sa atong mga kaso, labi na sa pipila nga mga barangay sa Butuan City. Ang DOH Caraga moapilar sa tanan nga atong seryosohon ug tumanon ang mga giabiso nga health protocols. Sama sa bawal walay mask, isanitize ang inyong mga kamot gamit ang sabon ug tubig o alcohol o hand sanitizers. Distansya sa ubang tao ug usa ka metro ug aksyon base sa sakto nga impormasyon. Amo usab gihangyo ang tanan nga kung adunay gibati nga mga sintomas sama sa ubo, hilanat, paglisod o ginhawa o kalibanga, dili magpasagad og hulaton nga mugrabe. Mo-report dayon sa inyong barangay o magpakonsulta sa pinakaduol nga health facility aron masuta ug matambalan dayon. Remember that anyone can be infected. We cannot see the enemy. We can only win this battle if we work together. Ug mao kato atong balita karong adlaw. God bless and stay safe, Caraga.